What's up guys, so in today's video we're going to be telling how to make a paper flexagon. So this is the paper flexagon. So it's actually pretty satisfying, it just keeps going forever and forever. And yeah, that's the basic model. So it does go more if you see, it goes forever. Yeah. And yeah, it goes forever. So we're going to be telling how to make this baby here. It's a really cool thing and I recommend making it. So it'll keep you entertained for hours. Yeah, let's get started. And without further ado, you will need any sheet of paper. I'm using rectangle sheet of paper. So let's get started. So basically now what we do is you have to fold, to fold this in half. So, and I'm going to be doing this very fast just for the video. I don't want it to be a humongous video, so I'm just going to be doing it fast. But if you want it to be slow, just look at the go and like pause it, the video, or you can put it in slow-mo. So after you do that, just do this. Yeah. So do this. So yeah, do that. You have to do this and do this. And also, if you already know this step, then skip the video to in 1 minute from now, exactly. Okay. Okay, so yeah. So now that we did that, we should point this up so it's directly in the middle. And this is how it should look. So that's the first step to making it. Then you have to just flip this over and flip it to the back side so it's a little more thicker. Then we can open all of this. Can you see it? You need to pay attention to this step. So you open all of this, and you know this place where it's folded? Just take something, I have this big jumbo dice, trying to squeeze it a lot. Both sides I recommend squeezing it in both sides. So the more you squeeze it, the better it'll come. And I'll be back when I ripped it out. So I don't know if you want to hear me this satisfying rip, but here it is. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so guys, I ripped it and yeah. Okay, so I'm done ripping it. Now it's been about 1 minute. Let's just fold it like this. And then, yeah. So then we have to just fold this to the bottom, the bottom to the top. That'll be easier. Also, and you can also use scissors to do the part I just did, because it is more perfection. It does do more perfection. And yeah. Also, if you're using scissors, always do it with adults. Trust me, you do not want to get hurt by scissors. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, fold that to this place. Fold it to the middle, and same here. Okay, so fold it to the middle. Fold that here. And fold done. Okay, fold done. Now just do this so it's kind of more thicker, and yeah. Now on to the next step. So the next step is to one of the most important steps. You have to fold it in half, and then you have to fold it to the middle. Yeah. So fold it to the middle. So fold that to the middle. Fold this fold here, and then we do the same on this side, repeat it, and yeah. So you should be done in about 5 minutes with this step, I guess. I did this step before, so it should not take me 5 minutes. But if it's your first time doing a flexagon, it should probably take you 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes to finish this step. Okay, so, oh my god. Okay, so, yeah, now that I did that, so now for the most crazy step. So you have to fold this again, and fold this so it's literally touching it, like that. And then repeat it with the other side. So this, and then fold this down here. Yeah. So now is one of the major steps. So basically, you have to draw a line from, okay, let me just demonstrate it once, and then I'll skip the rest, okay? So we basically, so lots of YouTubers don't do it like I do, but just do this. So just draw an X from this place to this place, and just I didn't do it properly because I'll fix it later, and I'm going to use the other side. But anyway, just draw an X, and then draw another X. Like, you have to draw X on every single box. And then, so you have to fold on all those lines, all those X's. So basically, I'm trying to make it simple. So when you want to do this X, these type X's, you fold both of the lines. So I hope you got that, and I'll be back when I'm done doing that. And guys, I'm done doing all those lines. That blue paper didn't work out, so I wanted to do it because it was hard to see on the blue paper. So it would be easier if I did it on the red paper, so I just did it on red paper. And now that I did it on red paper, I think I said paper 3 times. Anyway, you have to fold on all these. I folded it, and now we have to try and make it in a triangle. So try your best and show your pictures in the comments. Send a link to it. So basically, this is what you did. Okay. So you fold this into this flap. This. Okay. This is the hardest step. Out of all the steps, this is the hardest. So you have to fold that flap into this flap. So there should be a pocket here, and you should just fold it in. So fold one full X onto it, and you should get this triangle puffy thing. So now that you get this triangle thing, just kind of push on the top. Push on these tops. Yeah, just push on it, yeah. So push on these tops, and it should form something. It should form, it should form this type of triangle. Just push on these tops, and then you can actually, to make it better, just fold these tops into this, and then you can squeeze it. And yeah. So I'm gonna just do that real quick for all of them, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I squeezed all of them, and I am back. So now it's the easy steps. Well, for some people it's hard. So now for the easy step. So all we need to do is do this. Oh my god, this bottom, and then so all we need to do, squeeze, do this, squeeze, so you squeeze these and then push this in. So it should form something like this. And do the same thing for all the edges. So squeeze it and push it. Squeeze it and push it. It should form something, and then after you did that, it should be really small, really thin, because all of them probably wanted to do that. So oh my god. Okay, so now you just make it a triangle again, and you try and fold it like I am. So you try and do one fold, okay, Okay, well, that's okay. So I did kind of do it wrong. So you try and do this. So you know that triangle shape, do that. And then these, like, push these in. Push these out again. You know, we push them in, push them out. So now that we push them out and fold it. Push them out and fold it. So, yeah. So after you do that, so you push this down and push this two down and and then push the last and final one down. It won't look good. Yeah, it ripped, but it's okay. It's just a demonstration. So now that it's okay if it rips, it just ripped a little. So you do it on both sides. And then now you just keep spinning it. And after you spin for quite a while, it should become a flexagon. So I'm going to spin it like 3 times and it should become a flexagon. And it's okay if it rips. It doesn't matter. And yeah, you can always make another one. So yeah, now that's a flexagon. That's our flexagon. And yep, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Subscribe, like the video, and also share this video with your friends. And yeah, that's all for the Game of Ease video today, and peace out. And also, this flexagon is actually really entertaining. So this is a flexagon. If you do fold this like 3 times, it does become better. And I also recommend doing it on printer paper. It does do a difference, and it is better on printer paper. But anyway, it is still a fun thing, even if you don't do it on printer paper. But yeah, you cannot use a square for this project, so you can't. You need a rectangular sheet of paper. Printer paper is the best, but I use color paper because it would be easier to show the lines and for the video. But anyway, peace out. Bye.